Ako si Roque Christine as of February 4, 2026, 8 months na ako rito. Ang pinakamataas kong late ay noong December 2025, 4. Undertime, December 25, 2025, 2. Unauthorized absent ay wala. Ang high sales ko ay noong January 2026, merong transaction count of 55. Last month bulk order ko ay 2 with total amount of 26,919. Ang EVR ko last 3 months over on cash count nung January 1 isa, short on cash count nung December 6 nung January 1, skipping series on the receipt December 1, no signature on checklist 2 nung December, no sign up cash count 1 nung January, consumable monitoring 1 nung January, incomplete out of sales form 3 ng December, 2 ng January, incomplete item posting on physical inventory 1 ng December, not encoded consumables 2 ng January, no stock transfer to other branch 1 ng December, SOF not attached 1 ng January, not print on 4-page DSR 1 ng January, jump contract not attached 1 ng January, wrong encode of mode of payment 1 ng December, 4 ng January, not using transmittal 1 ng January, short physical inventory 1 ng December, total number of violation December 19 ng January 16. Bumaba ang EVR ko last month ng 16. Ang EVR ko ay mostly on short cash count, no signature, incomplete fill out of not encoded consumable, wrong encode of mode payment. Maiiwasan ko ang short cash count pag lagi pong nagka-cash count. No signature on checklist, dapat lagi pong inaalala. Incomplete fill out of sales form, ito din po dapat lagi din pong naka-double check. Not encoded consumable, everyday dapat po nada-double check din po. Wrong encoded mode of payment, usually po kasi nabibigla po sa pagbigla ng pag-encode po na cash po imbis na GCash, QRPH. May IR pending, wala ko. Workshop record ko 2026, satisfactory ng customer complaint at saka business solution. Sa workshop ko ay may 2 satisfactory ako. May improve ko to sa pamagitan ng pag-a-attend ng workshop. Sa ka-worker review ko ay may average na 3.10, good 9. I-improve ko to sa pamamagitan ng payo ng aking mga co-workers. May improve ko ang punctuality ko pag pumasok po ng maaga. Positive comment sa akin ay problem solver, disiplinado, mabusisi, good service provider. For improvement ko ay punctuality. General comment, need na improve ang pag-arrange ng important forms and sa cashier area para mabilis mahanap pag meron kailangan. Need mag-focus as a team leader this time. Ang dapat kong i-improve sa sarili ko ay pagiging leader. Happy ako sa mga nabanggit sa akin.